let's take a moment to look at the exterior angle inequality theorem. And in this diagram, the red angle is an exterior angle. It's lying outside the triangle. Whereas these two angles are interior angles. They lie inside the triangle. But these two are not near the red angle, so they are called remote or far away interior angles. And what this theorem says is that, here I'm going to number the angles from 1 to 4, just so we can talk about them more easily. What this theorem says is that angle 4 is bigger than angle 1, and angle 4 is also bigger than angle 2. And here's why. First of all, we know that 1 and 2 and 3 all add up to 180 degrees. And we also know that angle 4 plus angle 3 add up to 180 degrees because they're a linear pair. Now, look at these two equations. We have this one and that one. And they are identical except for the first part here and the first part there, which means that angle 4 must equal angle 1 plus angle 2. And if angle 4 equals these two added up, then angle 4 must be bigger than angle 1, and angle 4 must be bigger than angle 2, which is precisely what we're saying over here. Let's see if we can now put this insight into practice. And in this diagram, we're given that angle 2 is bigger than angle 1, and we're going to try to prove that angle 2 is therefore bigger than angle 4. So we're going to take a journey from angle 2 to 1 to 3 to 4 and see if we can reach that conclusion. So here's how we'll do it. First of all, we'll start with what's given, and we know that angle 2 is greater than angle 1 because that's given. And then we also know that angle 1 is greater than angle 3. And here's why. Angle 1 is exterior to this triangle, and angle 3 is one of the two remote interior angles. So therefore, by the exterior angle theorem, we know that angle 1 is bigger than angle 3. So I'll write exterior angle theorem here. All right, so therefore we know, since angle 2 is bigger than 1 and 1 is bigger than 3, we know that angle 2 is greater than angle 3. And that's the transitive property of inequality. All right, now, we also know that angle 3 is equal to angle 4. And the reason why 3 and 4 are congruent is because they're a vertical pair. And then finally, because we know that 2 is greater than 3 and 3 is equal to 4, then therefore we know that angle 2 is greater than angle 4. And here we're just using substitution. What we're doing is we're replacing the angle 3 right here with an equivalent expression, angle 4. So we're going to say angle 2 is greater than angle 4. And that's it.